So we started early morning from Bangalore in our EV, all charged up for our little getaway to Chikmagalur. The weather was just perfect, roads were smooth, and that feeling of leaving behind all the city chaos. Just the two of us, some good music, and endless green ahead. After about 5 hours of driving through these beautiful roads, we finally reached Varanya. The moment we entered, it honestly felt like stepping into another world. So calm, green, and untouched. The staff welcomed us with hot towels and refreshing drinks. We booked the South Suite room and just look at this place. So tastefully done. The room was beautiful, warm, and spacious. It even had an outdoor jacuzzi, which was such a highlight for us. The best part, the entire structure is made using earth walls, mostly soil and very little cement. It's those small thoughtful details that makes the space feel so special. Now let's talk about the food because the food here was amazing. Chef Yasser personally checked with us every day, planned a 5 course meal around our preferences, and everything tasted so homely yet so refined. And the sweetest touch, they even kept soaked almonds on the bedside table for the next morning. Little things like that just show how much they care. Also, we happened to reach a day before Dasera, and the team was doing Ayut Puja. They were so kind, they even included our car in it. Our car got blessed, and we honestly felt so lucky and grateful. Evenings at Varenya were my absolute favorite. They would light up the fireplace, serve you high tea, some snacks or drinks if you're in the mood. We would just sit there, talk, and listen to the sound of the fire crackling. It's those quite simple moments that really make you feel at home. The next morning was super foggy, the kind where clouds literally kissed the ground. We had a hike planned to Karnataka's highest peak, and our naturalist Rajdeep was our guide for the day. It was drizzling almost the whole time, and I'll be honest, I was terrified for life. I've never done a proper hike before, and it was slippery, steep, and misty. But Pratik, my forever cheer partner, and Rajdeep, of course, were both so patient and encouraging. Somehow we made it to the top, soaked but proud. Also, a small note, guys, if you ever go during the monsoon, please carry your raincoat and socks because the leeches there, oh my god, let's just say they are very, very welcoming there. After that wild adventure, we came back, took a hot shower, and Chef Yasser had his gorgeous 5 course lunch ready for us, ending with desserts, of course. Later that evening, we went for a spa session, and honestly, it was everything we needed. The sound of rain outside, aroma oils, warm lightning, it was pure relaxation. The next morning, the skies finally cleared, bright, sunny, and beautiful. After breakfast, we went for a cold plunge in a natural stream. Ice cold water, no people around, just us and nature. It genuinely felt like a private paradise. The drive there was so scenic, empty roads, green on both sides. It's one of those moments that will make you fall in love with travel again. Later that evening, we went for a walk with Mr. Dipankar, the manager. He's one of those people you can talk to for hours, literally. So grounded, so wise. Talking to him honestly felt like we have known him since years. Next morning after breakfast, it was time to head back. And again, the sweetest gesture. The team had packed us lunch for the road. Afghan biryani, homemade breads and brownies. Like so thoughtful, and it was so yum, oh my god. I can't even tell, I can't even explain. We stopped midway to charge our car, had our lunch with a view and drove back to Bangalore with full hearts and full stomach. Varinya really felt like a second home. Every little thing, the people, the food, the stories made this trip unforgettable. If you are looking for a quiet, soulful getaway in Chikmagalur, this place deserves a spot on your list.